Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the United Star. We've got Vishesh Gupta here with us, and well, I think I'm coming around to believe it, Vishesh. We are in a title challenge, aren't we?
It's rather unpredictable, Prasham, when you look at it the way the season's going. In all the previous seasons, we've been like the team that ends up being on top during Christmas ideally goes on to win the Premier League. But this time it's just so unpredictable because when we look at this weekend's fixtures, where United drew against Leicester, City won, so on and so forth. We thought that Liverpool will pull that gap further because they were playing the likes of West Brom, right? And we didn't expect Big Sam to pull off a result out there, but they managed to draw it out, and the gap remains the same, which is very intriguing. If we look back to the way things were, there was a time where Spurs were definitely winning the league. I remember we were talking about how Mourinho will use this as an excuse in his press conferences where he was building it up as, we can't win the league. The league isn't something that we're that focused on in winning. And then he'd go on to win it and be one of the biggest managers. But now they're sitting in seventh with less points than a team that they beat 6-1. So it's very surprising with the way things are. And I think we are in the title challenge. It is slightly delusional, and I wouldn't put a stamp on it yet that we've won. We're one of the contenders. But I think if we perform consistently the way we are, we can definitely make the cut.
I think Vishesh, the other thing that is key over here that what we have to see is that Chelsea and Spurs both are constantly dropping points left, right, and center. Leicester don't look the same team like they sort of were at the start of the season. They're also dropping points. The other thing is with the fixture congestion, Leicester don't have the squad to be able to rotate and yet maintain the standard of football. I think we saw that against Crystal Palace. Chelsea just cannot buy a win against the top 10 team because, I mean, shit part, right? What is he going to do? So, I think, yeah, considering those factors, I think
You know
what
what's
my
interesting,
contention here is,
Roshan?
Vishesh.
You know what's interesting? Chelsea and Spurs were dubbed to be better than Manchester United. They were said to have a stronger squad. They were said to definitely finish in the top four. In fact, they were dubbed as title challengers along with City and Liverpool, right? But when we look at United and Chelsea, we're a point above with 2 games in hand. And similarly, when it comes to Spurs, we're a point above with a game in hand. So it's just the tables
Hmm.
have turned so quickly because I remember a month ago, we were discussing amongst us that, oh, if we lose this game, we need to have an Ole out and Pochettino in video because that's what the fan base would crave for. But with the way
But
things are,
Vishesh, this is what I'm saying. What I think, Vishesh, is that yes, we are in the challenge to be best of the rest. My problem is that I feel we're yet too far away from Liverpool. My problem is that because look at this, look at the facts, right? Liverpool, yes, they drew against West Brom and they drew against Fulham, but look at this. Virgil van Dijk, their biggest player, arguably their biggest player, is missing, and yet they managed to rack up all these wins. He's going to come back soon enough. They're struggling. I mean, it's not an injury crisis, but they were missing a couple of their key players, and they yet got performances on board. So I agree with you that the season is up and down, and anyone can beat anyone at this point. At least it seems that way, and teams are dropping points. But apart from that one performance that I saw of 7-2 that Liverpool lost against Villa, I yet haven't seen enough chinks in their armor which makes me believe that they will drop enough points for us to catch up. I think it will be close. I think it will be closer than last year. But I don't know if we'll actually win the title. I think we'll be best of the rest. We are definitely, I think, in pole position for that. But will we win the title? I'm very skeptical about that. At least
Prashant,
I don't want to say it as of now and jinx it at
That's
any rate.
that's that's exactly what I think Roy Keane said, that Liverpool may just go ahead and win the league, but United are the best of the rest and can definitely come second in this league, no doubt. But then again, Prashant, we talk about Van Dijk being such an integral part of Liverpool. Think about United. I don't see United performing right now either. If we think about the time post COVID where we went on that crazy run where the likes of Martial and Rashford was scoring every game and Greenwood was on top of his form, we haven't seen that from our strikers yet, right?
But
We
Vishesh, we got that draw against Southampton when we needed the win. We didn't show up in a couple of games. Whereas Liverpool, whatever happens, they somehow manage to nick a result in the end. They get those dirty 2-1 wins.
but
That's
that
the
that's
rub.
that's
Green
yeah.
also goes their way.
but that's what makes them champions. That's what made them champions last year. And I think Sir Alex said it right. You need to grind out those results. You need to convert those draws into wins if you want to be, the champions of the Premier League. But I think that's why United has changed. The full culture that we've got, that we're the comeback kings all of a sudden. That's because we're grinding it out again. I mean, no one wants to be 2-0 down. That it's stupid the way we start games, but it's the attitude and the character of the players to come back. When I hear stuff like Bruno Fernandes coming out after a 2-2 draw against Leicester and saying that he was happy to see the squad disappointed, it makes me happy to know that this squad isn't happy with the draw anymore. Leicester is not an easy side. We could probably argue they've replaced Arsenal in the top six. So when
Yeah.
we think about it that way, I think United have a considerable chance. But again, me saying United has a chance right now is similar to saying Aston Villa has a chance of winning the Premier League right now. But let me pose this question to you: 25 games in, United are just 5 points off Liverpool. Would you consider them as a title challenger then and be like, we could win this title?
Definitely, Vishesh. I think after 19 games, if we are about if we are within 5 points of Liverpool after 19 games, I think then definitely have to consider us as title challengers, and there's no question about it. So let's reserve comment till then. Let's enjoy this fact that like other teams are dropping points, and let's hope United can pick points up, because it's not as if we have been we've picking the points up as well. I think we've dropped a couple of points as well here and there. So let's hope that we don't drop points as well. And it's going to be interesting. It's going to be close. I don't see anyone getting 100. Maybe 80 points, maybe 78 points might be enough to
Yeah,
decide the
yeah.
title. And we are on course to get 21. We're on course to get 24, 25 this season. So let's see that. Let's see. Let's hope that happens. And if we do win the title, I mean, yeah, there's nothing more to say. I mean, if we win the title, it'll be
If you win the
the
title, you can finally change the jersey you're wearing.
yeah, that's true. That's it, guys. Actually, that's about it. Let's end it on that note. What if we win the title? Let us know what if we win the title in the comments. Subscribe to our channel to keep updated on what's happening, whether Vishesh is proved right and whether I'm proved wrong. And we'll find out soon enough. So thanks for watching, guys.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you do like it, please click on the thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to get daily notifications from the United Star. Follow us on Instagram at the.UnitedStar and we will see you soon.